ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ತಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. No, all that leave it at that. Only about the case you say. It's okay. Now tell me what is it that you want. Fine. Understand. I understand. If you can't have resources, then give them the 455 square feet in some corner.
Because it is to be there. They had come out with an offer for 20 lakhs. This is what he has given.
Right. Where is the property? This property is situated in Treasure Town. Today 10 to 12,000 rupees is the bare minimum. So we'll keep it as 15,000 rupees. It will be something like 68 lakhs. That will be the effect. So that is where, things are not working out. So best thing is 455 square feet in this remaining area. Somewhere you can make it and then give it, there ends the matter. Even as per the decree, they are entitled for that. Otherwise, let them come out with some offer. What is your offer, sir?
Yeah, that is the offer idea, because each property is separated, it's virtually impossible.
Correct, sir. Correct. Understood. Your point understood. Now he says the other property is not an issue here. You can't have a matter that is settled in respect of a property which is not an issue. ನೀವು ಆ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು litigation ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ in fact there is an order virtually.
No, if you get a decree, then only that can be worked out.
My lord has said, interest of all the parties, instead of bringing that litigation also together, entire disputes can be resolved.
No, you can't have for the other portion, whatever the portion that it is yet to be decided. ಅದನ್ನು ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
1995 immediately they got the plan sanction and they are deciding.
Fine.
So there was a lot of action before the sale. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಆಯ್ತು.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆ ಭಾಗ ಯಾರಿಗ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಈಗ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆ ಭಾಗ ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರಕ್ ಆಗೋದ್ ಬೇಡ. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ. ಸಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಐ ಟು ಐ. ಆ ಭಾಗ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ 17 feet ಇಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿರೋದು 17 feet ಇಂಟು 67 feet. 17 into 67 is 1139. So 1139 square feet ಈ ಸೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆಗೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು 455 ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ 684 square feet ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. 17 feet ಇಂಟು ಯಾವುದು 67 feet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ವೇಟ್ ಇದು 684 square feet ನಿಮ್ಗಿದೆ, 455 square feet ಅವ್ರಿಗಿದೆ. ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ 684 square feet ನ ಈ ಜಾಗ 17 feet ಇಂಟು 67 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ಲಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ 17 into 67. This is the sort of an exchange and get a decree in that fashion. A vacant portion ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಏನು ಕೊಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ 684 square feet ನ you just give it up to us and say that in lieu of this we have settled that there. Easiest way, you think over, it can be worked out. possible and workable solution given to his health condition and his financial capacity. Otherwise, what you have to do is, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಅವ್ರು 455 square feet ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But at this age, what is it that he will do with that? So therefore, best thing is, exchange is permissible. Your friend has come out with that idea, 684 square feet, you give it up, and remaining vacant portion in the adjacent property, you enjoy. Is that the what you have meant, Mr.
This was noted here.
It's all right, ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Think over this weekend, come back to me on 13th at 2:30. Yes, release this matter at request of both on 13th of December. Madam, I think this is a possible and feasible idea. Convince him. ಅವ್ರ ಡಾಟರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಮ್ಮ, ತಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. More so when he is a heart patient, he should not take any of these things. It's all in your interest that he is doing it. You think over whatever the vacant portion that is there in your side, they will give up their right in that vacant portion, which was oral partition. You can enjoy all your property by yourself. You have a construction and the vacant place. Vacant place, tomorrow you can develop it. For that, you will have to give up your 684 square feet in the suit which is now pending before the court. So that this case and the other case, both the cases get settled once and for all. Once and for all, and relationship will be reunion. More than the property, it is the relationship. The gentleman doesn't have a hand, you can come to his aid. So many things are there, no? Property ಬೇಕು, ಊಟ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕು, ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕು ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೇನು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಂದ್ರು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, because your property is intact. Tomorrow if you want to develop, you want to give it for some joint development, if you want to sell it, hassle free. ಅವ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಓಕೆ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಓರಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್, ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸು, ಎಲ್ಲ all that you can put in this particular document before this court. For all time to come, it is a permanent solution. Think over, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. Let him take peace, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, it is my time, you have done, all your blessings are in the form of this property, we will have something to work out, you give it up, you be cool, leave whatever the remaining period happily, we will settle, I'll make all the settlement with others. That should be the spirit. Go back and come back with a positive result on 13th. I am hopeful. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು 16th ರಜಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, 15th may be the last working day. If you want, I'll have it on 14th. 13th. ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿಮ್ಮ. ನಾನು this Friday and next Friday I'm not sitting, some personal. ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ. He will have peace of mind. Yes sir, ತಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes. Yes, what is this?
Yes, I